Good morning, student. Today we are going to start with the revision of EVS. Okay. First question is fill in the blanks. Every dash must get the joy of learning in school. Dash में लिखो child. CHILD child. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. Question number 2. Dash characters make use of raised dot created on paper. Dash में लिखो braille. BRAILLE. Braille characters make use of raised dot created on paper. Third, dash is necessary to do any work. Dash में लिखो management. MANAGEMENT. Management is necessary to do any work. Then come to question number 4. We have learned information about dash of transport. Dash में लिखो modes. MODES. Modes of transport. We have learned information about modes of transport. Question number 5. People get trapped under the dash and die. Dash में लिखो heaps. 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 People get trapped under the heaps and die. Question number 6. People and animals are dash against the force of tsunami. Dash में लिखो helpless. HELP. Helpless. LESS. Helpless. People and animals are helpless against the force of tsunami. Question number 7. If we dash each other, we can succeed at anything. Dash में लिखो help. 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 If we help each other, we can succeed at anything. Question number 2. Write true or false. First, deaf people use sign language. Answer is true. 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 Question number 2. The TV or music should be played at a loud volume. The answer is false. 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 Third, blind people can cross the road using their wheelchair. Again the answer is false. इसका भी आंसर false है. Question number 4. We must depend on talisman, amulets and incantation to cure illness. Answer है false. 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 Question number 3. Name the following. First, earthquake under the sea give rise to very high waves. The waves are called dash. Dash में लिखो tsunami. 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 Earthquakes under the sea give rise to very high waves. The waves are called tsunami. Second, the name given to rise in the level of river water dash flood. 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 Third, the place in Maharashtra where earthquakes have occurred. Answer है Nasik. NASHIK. Nasik. The place in Maharashtra where earthquakes have occurred is Nasik. Now, question number 4. Complete the table with the help of the list that follow. बेटा मैं पहले ये सब नाम रीड कर लेती हूँ, जो A to H है वो रीड करती हूँ, फिर आपको मैं कॉलम्स में कैसे डालना है वो बताऊँगी. फर्स्ट इज साइक्लोन. CYCLONE. साइक्लोन. B death. 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 Dew. DUE. dew. TO. lightning. LIGHTINING. lightning. Third, collapse. 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 OF of ANN. old. 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 RAM. 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 Shackle. 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 House. 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 D, children. 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 On. on. A playground. PLAY. playground. GROUND. ground. Getting. 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 Injured. injurad, injured. When, when, when. A termite, termite, termite. Ridden, ridden, ridden. Tree, tree. Falls, falls, falls. Children on a playground getting injured when a termite ridden tree falls. E. Children. बेटा मैंने ना ई में गलती से फर्स्ट वर्ड चिल्ड्रन लिखा है, वो चिल्ड्रन नहीं है, वो कॉलिशन है. COLLISION, गलती से वहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ है. कॉलिशन ऑफ टू टू रेलवे, RAILWAY रेलवे. ट्रेन्स, TRAINS ट्रेन्स. F ANN air, air. Crash, CRASH crash. Due, due. Two. Mechanical, MACHANICAL mechanical. Fault, FAULT fault. G. Normal, NORMAL normal. Life, LIFE life. Getting, DETTING getting. Disturb, DISTURBED disturb. Due, due. Two. Heavy, HEAVY heavy. Snow, SNOW snow. Fall, FALL fall. Normal life getting disturbed due to heavy snowfall. H. A fire, FIRE fire. Caused, CAUSED caused. By, BY the, the. Explosion, EXPLOSION explosion. Of, OF. Cooking, COOKING cooking. Gas, GAS gas. CYLINDER सिलेंडर. अभी आपको क्या करना है, एक नया पेज लेना है, कंटिन्यू पेज लेंगे, दो कॉलम्स बनाने हैं, एक नेचुरल डिजास्टर और एक मैन मेड डिजास्टर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 बना लिया आपने नेचुरल डिजास्टर और मैन मेड डिजास्टर के. नेचुरल डिजास्टर में क्या क्या आएगा मैं पहले वो बोलूँगी, फिर मैन मेड डिजास्टर में. नेचुरल डिजास्टर में फर्स्ट आएगा साइक्लोन, CYCLONE साइक्लोन. सेकेंड आएगा डेथ ड्यू टू लाइटनिंग, DEATH डेथ. ड्यू, DUE ड्यू. टू, TO2 LIGHTINING लाइटनिंग. थर्ड चिल्ड्रेन, CHILDREN children. On, on. A playground, PLAY playground, GROUND ground. Getting, GETTING getting. Injured, INJURAD injured. When, WHEN when. A termite, TERMITE termite. Ridden, RIDDEN ridden. Tree, TREE tree. Falls, FALLS falls. Children on a playground getting injured when a termite ridden tree falls. Fourth, normal, NORMAL normal. Life, LIFE life. Getting, GETTING getting. Disturb, DISTURBED disturb. डिस्टर्ब लिखा. ड्यू, DUE ड्यू. टू, TO2 हैवी, HEAVY हैवी. स्नोफॉल, SNOW स्नो. फॉल, FALL फॉल. नॉर्मल लाइफ गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब ड्यू टू हैवी स्नोफॉल. 4 हो गया ना. साइक्लोन, दैट ड्यू टू लाइटनिंग. चिल्ड्रन ऑन अ प्लेग्राउंड गेटिंग इंजर्ड व्हेन अ टर्माइट रिडन ट्री फॉल्स. नॉर्मल लाइफ गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब ड्यू टू हैवी स्नोफॉल. अभी मैन मेड डिजास्टर में आ जाओ. फर्स्ट वाला आएगा कोलैप्स ऑफ एन ओल्ड ramshackle हाउस, COLLAPSE कोलैप्स ऑफ, OF ऑफ, AN ओल्ड, OLD ओल्ड. RAM, RAM. shackle, SHACKLE shackle. house, HOUSE house. collision, COLLISION collision. OF of. Two, TWO2 railway, RAILWAY railway. Trains, TRAINS trains. Third, A fire, F-I-R-E, fire, caused, C-A-U-S-E-D, caused, by, B-Y, by, the, T-H-E, the, explosion, E-X-P-L-O-S-I-O-N, explosion, of, O-F, of, cooking, C-O-O-K-I-N-G, cooking, gas, 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 cylinder, 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 a fire caused by the explosion of a cooking gas cylinder. Fourth, air, 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 crash, 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 due, due, to, a mechanical, 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 fault, 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 and a crash due to a mechanical fault. हो गया चार नेचुरल डिजास्टर है, 4 मैन मेड डिजास्टर. Now to come to the next question, that is define the following. First, communication. Answer लिखो. Obtaining, O-B-T-A-I-N-I-N-G, obtaining, or sending, S-E-N-D-I-N-G, sending, various, V-A-R-I-O-U-S, various, types, T-Y-P-E-S, types, of, of, information, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information, is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, communication, C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-I-O-N, communication, obtaining or sending various type of information is called communication. Second, natural disaster. Answer लिखो. Mishap, M-I-S-H-A-P-S, mishaps, have, H-A-V, have, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, cause, C-A-U-S-E, cause, they, T-H-E-Y, they, R-A-R-E-R, called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, natural, N-A-T-U-R-A-L, natural, disaster, D-I-S-A-S-T-E-R-S, disaster. हो गया. Now क्वेश्चन लिया. नेक्स्ट इसका डिफाइन का है डिजास्टर. आंसर लिखो. ईट, I-A-T, ईट, इज, I-S, अ, वेरी, V-E-R-Y, वेरी, सीरियस, S-E-R-I-O-U-S, सीरियस, मिसहैप, M-I-S-H-A-P, मिसहैप, one, W-O-N-E, one, in, I-N, in, which, W-H-I-C-H, which, people, P-E-O-P-L-E, people, or, animals, A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, can, C-A-N, can, get, G-E-T, get, injured, I-N-J-U-R-A-D, injured, or die, D-I-E, die. It is very serious mishap, one in which people or animals can get injured or die. Next comes school management committee. Answer लिखो. To, T-O, make, M-A-K-E, make, sure, S-U-R-E, sure, that, T-H-A-T, that, the, T-H-E, the, school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, run, R-U-N, run, smoothly, S-M-O-O-T-H-L-Y, smoothly, a, school, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, management, M-A-N-A-G-E-M-E-N-T, management, committee, C-O-M-M-I-T-T-E-E, committee, is, formed, F-O-R-M-E-D, formed. To make sure that the school runs smoothly, a school management committee is formed. Now come to the question, give reason. First, there is a lot of diversity. Answer, there, T-H-E-R-E, there, may, M-A-Y, may, B-E-B, children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children, who, W-H-O, who, speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different, language, L-A-N-G-U-A-G-E, language, A-T, at home, H-O-M-E, home, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because, O-F, of, this, T-H-I-S, this, V, W-E-V, C, S-E-E-C, a, lot, L-O-T, lot of, O-F, of diversity, D-I-V-E-R-S-I-T-Y, diversity. There may be a children who speak different language at home. Because of this, we see a lot of diversity. Now, question number 2. Talk to your grandparents lovingly. Answer. G-R-A-N-D, grandparents. P-A-R-E-N-T-S, parents. R-A-R-E-R, often. O-F-T-E-N, often. At-A-T, at. Home, H-O-M-E, home. All, A-L-L, all. Day, D-A-Y-D. They, T-H-E-Y, they. Have, H-A-V-E, have. Great, G-R-E-A-T, great. Affection, A-F-F-E-C-T-I-O-N, affection. For, F-O-R, for. Their, T-H-E-I-R, their. Grand, G-R-A-N-D, grand. Children, C-H-I-L-D-R-E-N, children. They, T-H-E-Y, they. Feel, F-E-E-L, feel. Happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. When, W-H-E-N, when. We, W-E-V. Speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak. To, T-O, them, T-H-E-M, them. Lovingly, L-O-V-I-N-G-L-Y, lovingly. Grandparents are often at home all day. They have great affection for their grandchildren. They feel happy when we speak to them lovingly. Next question. We must follow traffic rules. Answer. Rules, R-U-L-E-S, rules. Guide, G-U-I-D-E, guide. Us, U-S, us. About, A-B-O-U-T, about. How, H-O-W, how. To, T-O, behave, B-E-H-A-V-E, behave. In, I-N, in. Society, S-O-C-I-E-T-Y, society. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because of, O-F, of. Rules, R-U-L-E-S, rules. V-W-E-V, can, C-A-N, can. B-E-B, sure, S-U-R-E, sure. That, T-H-A-T, that. Everyone, E-V-E-R-Y, everyone, O-N-E-one. Will, W-I-L-L, will. Behave, B-E-H-A-V-E, behave. In, I-N, in. A. Particular, P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R, particular. Manner, M-A-N-N-E-R, manner. Rule, guide us about how to behave in society. Because of rules, we can be sure that everyone will behave in a particular manner. Now come to question number 4. Next, this last question of give reason. Sparrows are disappearing from our environment. Answer. Recently, R-E-C-E-N-T-L-Y, recently. The, T-H-E, the, use, U-S-E, use of, O-F, of, mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile. Phones, P-H-O-N-E-S, phones, R-I-A-R-E-R, increase. I-N-C-R-E-A-S-E-D, increase. However, H-O-W, however, E-V-E-R, ever. Sparrows, S-P-A-R-R-O-W-S, sparrows, R-A-R-E-R, disturb, D-I-S-T-U-R-B-E-D, disturb, by, B-Y, by, the, T-H-E, the, waves, W-A-V-E-S, waves, coming, C-O-M-I-N-G, coming, from, F-R-O-M, from, mobile, M-O-B-I-L-E, mobile, phone, P-H-O-N-E, phone. Recently, the use of mobile phones are increased. However, sparrows are disturbed by the waves coming from my mobile phone. Now come to the next question. Answer the following question. This is the last question of your revision. Okay. First question. What kind of rain in water is good for the crop? Answer. Showers, S-H-O-W-E-R-S, showers of, O-F, of, rain, R-A-I-N, rain, in, winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter, is, I-S, is, good, G-O-O-D, good, for, F-O-R, for, the, T-H-E, the, crops, C-R-O-P-S, crops. Question number 2. How do fish communicate? Answer. fish, F-I-S-H, fish. Communicate, C-O-M-M-U-N-I-C-A-T-E, communicate. With, W-I-T-H, with. The, T-H-E, the. Help, H-E-L-P, help. Of, O-F, of. Its, I-T, its. Body, B-O-D-Y, body. Movement, M-O-V-E-M-E-N-T, movement. Question number 3. What is textbook used for? Answer. Textbook, T-E-S-T, textbook, B-O-O-K, book. Is, I-S, is. Used, U-S-E-D, use. To, T-O, provide, P-R-O-V-I-D-E, provide. Information, I-N-F-O-R-M-A-T-I-O-N, information. On, O-N, on. A, particular, P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R, particular. Subject, S-U-B-J-E-C-T, subject. On, O-N, on. A, particular, P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R, particular. Topic, T-O-P-I-C-E, topic. For, P-F-O-R, for. A, particular, P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R, particular. Age, A-G-E, age. Group, G-R-O-U-P, group. Textbook is used to provide information on a particular subject, on a particular topic, for a particular age group. Come to the next question. 4. Why are rules made? Answer. Because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because of, O-F, of. Rules, R-U-L-E-S, rules. V, W-E-V, can, C-A-N, can. B, B-E-B, sure, S-U-R-E, sure. That, T-H-A-T, that. Everyone, E-V-E-R-Y, everyone, O-N-E-one. Will, W-I-L-L, will. Behave, B-E-H-A-V-E, behave. In, I-N, in. A, particular, P-A-R-T-I-C-U-L-A-R, particular. Manner, M-A-N-N-E-R, manner. Because of rules, we can be sure that everyone will behave in a particular manner. Now come to the last question. Last question of your revision. Last question is, whose advice should we take while caring for a patient? Answer. We, W-E-V, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Take, T-A-K-E, take. Doctors, D-O-C-T-O-R-S, doctors. Advice, A-D-V-I-C-E, advice. And, A-N-D, and. Take, T-A-K-E, take. Care, C-A-R-E, care. Accordingly, A-C-C-O-R-D-I-N-G-L-Y, accordingly. We should take doctor advice and take care accordingly. बेटा आपका पोर्शन हो गया, रिवीजन भी दे दिया है. आपको खाली बताना था एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे आपको अभी हर टाइम आप कैसे क्वेश्चंस और आंसर पूरा लिखते थे, इस टाइम खाली आपको क्वेश्चन का हेडिंग डालना है और खाली आंसर लिखना है. जैसे क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट फिल द ब्लैंक से 4 फिलअप है, तो क्वेश्चन 1A 1 2 3 4 खाली आंसर लिखना है, क्वेश्चन लिखने का ज़रूरत नहीं है. समझ में आया? ये फाइनल एग्ज़ाम में आपको ये करना है. ओके बेटा, टेक केयर, स्टडी प्रॉपर्ली एंड गेट रेडी फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम.